Every October, the world turns its attention to Stockholm, as anticipation builds for one of the most prestigious events in science and medicine. The city, rich in history and tradition, becomes the global stage for honoring those whose discoveries have changed the course of humanity. Here, the Nobel Prizes celebrate humanity's greatest breakthroughs, recognizing achievements that have pushed the boundaries of what we know and what we can do. The ceremony is not just a celebration, but a reminder of the relentless pursuit of knowledge and the power of human curiosity. Among these honors, the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine stands out as a beacon, awarded to those whose discoveries have redefined our understanding of life and disease. From the discovery of penicillin to the unraveling of DNA's structure, these breakthroughs have saved countless lives and inspired generations of scientists. This year, the Nobel Assembly at the Karolinska Institutet has announced a revolutionary advance in one of our toughest battles: cancer. The decision comes after months of careful deliberation and review of groundbreaking research that has the potential to change the future of medicine. For decades, our main weapons against cancer were surgery, radiation, and chemotherapy. These treatments, while often effective, could be grueling and came with significant side effects. Patients and doctors alike longed for gentler, more targeted solutions. This year's prize recognizes a new approach, one that awakens the power within our own immune system to fight cancer. By harnessing the body's natural defenses, scientists have opened the door to treatments that are both innovative and deeply personal. What was once the realm of science fiction is now a reality. Immunotherapy has emerged as a fourth pillar of cancer treatment, standing alongside surgery, radiation, and chemotherapy. It offers new hope to patients who previously had few options. This breakthrough has transformed outcomes for patients with aggressive cancers, turning what were once death sentences into stories of survival and hope. Families now celebrate milestones that once seemed impossible, and doctors can offer new optimism. The Nobel laureates have given us not just a new weapon, but a new vocabulary of hope and possibility. Their dedication and vision have inspired the world, reminding us that science can change lives in the most profound ways. Their work has forever changed how we see and fight cancer, ushering in a new era of medicine where hope is stronger than ever before. The Nobel Prize in Medicine is awarded to James P. Allison from the United States, a scientist whose curiosity and determination have shaped the very landscape of cancer research. Allison's journey began decades ago, driven by a relentless desire to understand how our bodies fight disease at the most fundamental level. Alongside him, Tasuku Honjo from Japan, a pioneering researcher whose discoveries have transformed our understanding of the immune system's inner workings, shares this prestigious honor. Both men were captivated by the immune system's mysteries, especially the perplexing question of why, despite its power, it so often fails to recognize and destroy cancer cells. Their separate paths were united by a shared vision: to unlock the secrets that could turn the immune system into a powerful weapon against cancer. Allison, working as an immunologist in Texas, focused on T cells, the immune system's foot soldiers. He discovered a hidden molecular switch, a checkpoint, that could be manipulated to unleash these cells against tumors. This insight was revolutionary, suggesting that the immune system could be trained to fight cancer from within. Meanwhile, Honjo, working in Kyoto, identified a new molecule that acted as a brake on immune responses, preventing the body from attacking itself. His discovery revealed a delicate balance. The immune system must be strong enough to fight disease, but not so aggressive that it harms healthy tissue. Both scientists realized that cancer exploits these natural brakes to hide from the immune system, allowing tumors to grow unchecked. This insight was a turning point, showing that cancer's greatest strength was its ability to evade detection. By developing therapies that block these brakes, Allison and Honjo empowered immune cells to recognize and attack tumors. Their work led to the creation of immune checkpoint inhibitors, a new class of drugs that have changed the way cancer is treated. Their discoveries marked a leap forward, proving that smarter, more targeted treatments could defeat cancer without the harsh side effects of traditional therapies. Patients who once had little hope now have new options and a renewed chance at life. Allison and Honjo's work converged to reveal not only how cancer evades immunity, but also how to outsmart it. Their collaboration and independent breakthroughs have inspired a new era of research and global cooperation, They proved that releasing the immune system's brakes could save lives, offering hope to millions of patients and their families around the world. Today, their vision has redefined the future of cancer therapy, opening doors to treatments that are not only more effective, but also kinder to patients, ushering in a new chapter in the fight against cancer. To understand the breakthrough, picture the immune system with both an accelerator and a brake. James Allison focused on the brake, a protein called CTLA-4, which holds T cells in check. He theorized that cancer presses this brake, silencing the immune attack. In bold experiments, Allison blocked CTLA-4 in mice with cancer, and saw tumors vanish. He proved that releasing this brake could unleash a powerful anti-cancer response. This was a radical shift. Instead of attacking cancer directly, empower the body's own defenses. Allison's discovery laid the foundation for the first immune checkpoint inhibitor drug. It changed cancer medicine forever. The immune system, once restrained, could now fight back. While Allison studied CTLA-4, Tasuku Honjo discovered another brake, PD-1. PD-1 found on T cells interacts with PD-L1 on other cells, sending a stop signal to prevent attack. Honjo found that many cancers exploit this, displaying PD-L1 to hide from immune cells. The result: tumors become invisible, protected from attack. Honjo's insight was to block the PD-1-PD-L1 connection, waking T cells to fight cancer. This revealed a second major pathway for immune evasion, and a new target for therapy. Drugs blocking PD-1, PD-L1 have shown remarkable results in cancers like lung, melanoma, and kidney. Honjo's work, like Allison's, proved that removing immune brakes could transform cancer treatment. The immune system, once fooled, could now see and destroy cancer. This discovery opened new hope for patients worldwide. How do these discoveries help patients? For decades, cancer treatment meant surgery, chemotherapy, or radiation, approaches that often came with harsh side effects and limited success, especially for advanced cancers. But a new wave of therapies is changing the landscape. Enter immune checkpoint inhibitors, drugs that block the brakes on T cells. These medications are designed to target specific proteins that act as stop signals for the immune system, preventing it from attacking cancer cells. Unlike chemotherapy or radiation, which directly target and destroy cancer cells but can also harm healthy tissue, these drugs work by empowering the body's own immune defenses. They free the immune system to do its job, allowing it to recognize and attack cancer more effectively. Imagine a guard dog silenced by a secret command. Checkpoint therapy teaches it to ignore that command and defend the house. In this analogy, the immune system is the guard dog, and the therapy removes the invisible leash holding it back. Drugs like ipilimumab, pembrolizumab, and nivolumab block CTLA-4 or PD-1-PD-L1, unleashing T cells. By interfering with these checkpoints, the drugs help T cells recognize cancer as a threat and attack it with renewed vigor. For some patients, the effect is dramatic. The immune system hunts down cancer throughout the body, leading to visible shrinkage of tumors and improved scan results. This can mean new hope for those who had few options left. What's revolutionary is the potential for long-lasting responses. T cells remember and patrol for years. This means the immune system can continue to protect against cancer recurrence long after treatment ends, offering a lasting shield. This has led to durable remissions even in advanced cancers. Patients who once faced grim prognoses are now celebrating milestones and returning to their lives. Immune checkpoint therapy has transformed cancer from a battle of attrition to one of empowerment. Patients and doctors now have new tools to fight back, and the sense of hope is palpable. It's a new era in oncology, one where the immune system itself becomes the most powerful weapon against cancer. The real impact of immune checkpoint therapy is seen in patients' lives. Sharon Belvin, diagnosed with metastatic melanoma at 22, had exhausted all options until she tried ipilimumab. Despite tough side effects, her tumors shrank and disappeared. 2 decades later, she's cancer-free. Former President Jimmy Carter, diagnosed with advanced melanoma at 90, received pembrolizumab. Months later, his scans showed no cancer. These stories, once unthinkable, are now echoed worldwide. Thousands with advanced cancers have experienced life-changing results. While not everyone responds, and side effects can be serious, The therapy has given hope where none existed. Patients are living to see milestones once thought impossible. These survivors are the ultimate proof of Allison and Hanjo's impact. Their research has given countless people a second chance. Immune checkpoint inhibitors have revolutionized cancer care. For decades, treatment meant surgery, radiation, or chemotherapy, often with harsh side effects. Immunotherapy is now the fourth pillar, changing protocols for cancers like melanoma and lung cancer. It's often used as a first-line treatment, not just a last resort. Doctors now combine immunotherapy with traditional treatments for a powerful one-two punch. The success has sparked new research into why some patients respond and others don't. Scientists are exploring ways to make more tumors responsive to immunotherapy. The goal has shifted from merely extending life to achieving long-term control and even cure. Allison and Hanjo's work has given us a new philosophy for fighting cancer. The Nobel Prize is science's highest honor, awarded after a rigorous secretive process. Nominees are evaluated for discoveries that fundamentally change a field and benefit humanity. Allison and Hanjo's journey, from basic science to life-saving therapy, exemplifies what the Nobel celebrates. Their work began with curiosity and led to a global impact on patients' lives. The Nobel is more than a personal honor, it's a celebration of science's power to transform the world. The award ceremony inspires future generations to pursue discovery. By honoring Allison and Hanjo, the Nobel affirms the value of investing in research. Their achievement is a beacon of hope for a healthier future. The Nobel for Allison and Hanjo marks a new beginning in medicine. Their discoveries have opened the door to more precise, personal, and effective cancer therapies. Scientists are now searching for new immune checkpoints and ways to tailor treatments to each patient. The future is personalized immunotherapy, combining therapies for maximum effect and minimal side effects. Their insights are also being applied to treat autoimmune diseases, restoring balance to the immune system. The legacy of this Nobel is enduring hope and proof that basic science can solve real-world problems. For patients, it means a future where cancer is no longer a death sentence. The work of Allison and Hanjo reminds us, within us lies the power to heal.